If you've enjoyed what you've seen so far, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Every little bit helps. Tonight, we present a battle of the snacks. Hello everyone, and welcome to another episode of Freestyle Wrestling. Joining me in the studio is Judy Hops, who apparently has something to say. Well, Nick, I was about to arrest Spider-Man after the cameras had stopped rolling the previous episode, but I then realized three things. One, I didn't have my handcuffs. Two, I don't have any evidence of wrongdoing. And three, I can't arrest a superhero. I mean, what would the kids think? Well, Carrots, you can be either a cop or a wrestler. You can't be both. Anyway, we have a rather unusual match lined up for tonight. I'll say unusual. I can't believe I've been relieved of my duties by a can of cola. Ladies and gentlemen, the following contest is scheduled for one fall. In the corner to my right, the frequenter of many lunchboxes, Moon Pie. And in the corner to my left, bite-sized powered delight, Hostess Donuts. Now, I want this to be a good, clean fight, no biting. It doesn't matter how yummy you are, anyways. Ready? Fight! It's a good thing Clawhauser isn't here. He'd eat both contestants. Just how do foodies wrestle, Nick? Well, foodies come in all shapes and sizes. These two may have to use sumo moves. I'd say Coca-Cola has his work cut out for him. Huh. He probably couldn't officiate a tennis match between a Tootsie Roll and a Hershey bar. I can too. I'm the can that can. Oh, you nearly crumbled my contents. Guess this is why donuts should come in boxes. Seems Moon Pie has this match in the bag. Just hope he's not given the sack. That's what happens to groceries. 1, 2, 3. Oh, that was some food fight. Here's your winner, Moon Pie. Well, thank you for joining us, folks. Next week, another exciting match. This has been a William Crow video presentation. I'm the can that can. Oh, brother.